Hey there, Weight Watchers! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. Want to know the secret to enjoying your favorite rice dishes without the guilt? Well, you're in for a treat today. Let me introduce you to cauliflower rice. This low-carb, low-calorie alternative is a game changer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing rice substitute that tastes great and helps with weight loss. Trust me, you won't miss regular rice at all. But before we start, don't forget to tune in tomorrow for an amazingly delicious, spicy, tangy, healthy Indian snack recipe. First, let's gather our ingredients. It's always best to start with fresh, high-quality produce. You'll need 1 large cauliflower, preferably organic if you can find it, a food processor, or a good old-fashioned grater, whichever you have on hand, and a bit of olive oil or your favorite cooking spray. These will help to sauté the cauliflower rice to perfection. Simple, right? Just a few ingredients and you're on your way to a healthier meal. Alright, let's dive in. This is going to be fun and easy. Start by washing your cauliflower thoroughly. It's important to remove any dirt or pesticides. Remove the leaves and cut the cauliflower into smaller florets. This makes it easier to process. Pop these florets into your food processor and pulse until you get a rice-like consistency. Be careful not to overprocess it. If you don't have a food processor, no worries. You can still make cauliflower rice. You can use a grater and achieve the same results. It might take a bit more effort, but it's totally worth it. Now, heat a large pan over medium heat. Make sure it's hot enough before adding the cauliflower. Add a splash of olive oil or a couple of sprays of cooking oil. This will help to cook the cauliflower evenly. Toss in your cauliflower rice and sauté for about 5-8 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want to make sure it cooks evenly. You want it tender but not too soft. The texture should be similar to al dente rice. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Feel free to add other seasonings like garlic powder or herbs for extra flavor. And there you have it, delicious cauliflower rice ready to enjoy. Now let's talk benefits. This is where cauliflower rice really shines. Cauliflower rice is incredibly low in calories and carbs, making it a fantastic alternative to regular rice. It's perfect for those watching their weight or managing diabetes. It's packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, and it's an excellent source of fiber. These nutrients are essential for overall health. Plus, it helps keep you full longer, aiding in weight loss. The best part? You can enjoy larger portions without the extra calories. Cauliflower rice is super versatile. You can use it in so many different dishes. You can use it as a base for stir fries, burrito bowls, or even as a replacement for regular rice in any recipe, or even as a side for your favorite curry. Feeling adventurous? There are so many creative ways to use cauliflower rice. Try making a cauliflower rice pizza crust. It's a great way to enjoy pizza without the carbs, or using it in stuffed peppers. This adds a healthy twist to a classic dish. The possibilities are endless. You can get creative and experiment with different recipes. So next time you're craving rice, give this healthier option a try. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Your body will thank you, and your taste buds won't be disappointed. You'll be amazed at how delicious and satisfying cauliflower rice can be. That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful. Tune tomorrow at 7 p.m. for an exciting twist to your healthy snacks with a lip-smacking recipe that is spicy and tangy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe at The Daily Dose for you. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. See you next time.